So this one, I don't think we were at it last weekend. I'm a little concerned we were. It started Wednesday, but today's the last day, so if there's anything left, it might be really cheap.
Yeah.
And there's supposed to be antiques at it, so.
Okay.
Normally I wouldn't put one down that's on the third day, but I don't know. One, your side, might be in the.
This is it right
oh
here?
yeah, 150. Yeah. Oh yeah. There's so right here.
Okay.
Let's start here. Oh, where are you going, honey? Are you gonna come to the garage sale?
Okay.
Are you disoriented?
Yeah, I'm getting
being
tired.
Some hot and tired. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
Maxine was here yesterday. That's a rhubarb.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. It's missing its
The
toes.
feet, yeah.
Oh, and there's some more cheese. What the heck? I haven't seen cheese box in years, and then. Oh, they're just using it as a table? Oh.
You guys selling the cheese boxes?
Huh?
Are you selling the cheese boxes? How much? $5 each? What do you think?
I have to look at them. Yeah, they do look like they're in good shape.
Let's go for a smoke.
Yeah. Smokes are worth more. Oh, look at those vintage.
The old comics from the
Terry and the Pirates. Yeah.
paper. Yeah, 1960.
And then put that back on there. Probably for $5 each, eh?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh, no, we're taking your side table.
we'll just set them over here for now.
Yeah, we'll grab those. We'll just set them down here for now.
Sure.
Those are interesting, eh?
There's a lot of stuff there. I can make a bargain with you. It's last day today.
Okay.
Okay.
Will do.
These here, I can't bargain. Those are not mine.
Okay. The bad kids.
Yeah.
Corner kids.
I can't remember what they're called.
But I don't know either. Oh, look at this. That's pretty vintage.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. It's been broken.
Yeah, you're right. The wing's been broken and glued back on.
That's too bad, because
I was about to
otherwise.
say it's in perfect condition.
Yeah. Avon. A lot of this is Avon.
Yeah.
Like all the this, that.
Oh, yeah.
That.
These giraffes.
That's Avon. Yep. Wow. Just dropped to nothing
Avon.
for value.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it wasn't expensive, but it wasn't cheap either. I remember those. That's what I had to go across the street and get from my dad.
Really?
From the store. Give me change.
empty there.
With a
Look at that chair.
I know, with just a couple of pennies left to get some penny candies with.
Oh, empty. They're heavy.
Yeah, I know.
So I couldn't imagine you at 8 years old.
Or 40.
Oh, I
no.
thought it said 4 at first.
No.
Yeah, 40.
No. It's nice, but
It is nice.
we don't need any
No, I
shares.
know, eh?
They have to be pretty special
Yeah.
for us to buy them. Oh, how much are the hangers, I wonder?
I didn't even see those.
Oh, $1 each. No,
Okay.
I don't want
Yeah, you've got
to.
12 for $3.
Yeah.
They're 50 cents each.
Oh. Yes, even that, I don't want to pay. I want to pay 25 cents each.
Yeah. We'd take them at 25 cents each. I was just telling them,
Yeah.
offering them 25 each.
Yeah.
Those hangers are 50 cents each.
We'd take them at $0.25 each.
3 for $1.
Yeah, you got to talk to the boss there. She just bought 4 for $1
Yeah.
earlier today.
Yeah, I
So
just
the
bought a
old wooden
bunch.
hangers.
So, yeah.
And you're advertising?
Some of them did, yep.
Okay. I guess you owe me $10.
Yeah.
Excellent. I appreciate that.
A lot of people don't know what the hell they are.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know. Well,
Oh, really?
We collect
Yeah.
the old stuff, so we knew. Only because that's what we're interested in. Could you imagine buying all that cheese? Good God, what would you do with all that, hey?
Well,
You have you bummed up for a month.
My wife's uncle had the general store. He's
Yes.
maybe still on there.
And so you
I'd
buy
let
it like that, chop it
3.
up, package it.
My dad said 3 wheels came in one of these.
Oh, really? You got
Yeah.
3 wheels. Isn't that interesting, hey?
Come on, get out of here. You don't want to come out.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now you got what you wanted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Except
All right.
he didn't give you $10 back. Well, he gave her $10.
Yeah.
He didn't give you $10.
He knows who holds the money. in
Yeah,
the family.
that's right.
Okay, thanks a
Thank
lot.
you.
Have a good one, guys.
Yeah, I think I can still sell them for 25,
Well, what did you sell the other ones for?
30
Yeah. Well, these
each.
should be able to go for the same price, I thought.
Well, yeah,
They're not
'cause-
in no worse condition.
No, these are in actually way better
yeah,
condition.
so why would you think you'd sell these for
Well,
less?
because I had them for quite longer than
Oh. they
2
were-
hours after I left. So
don't-
these might have to go in the back, or
We're running out of room.
I know.
Is there room on my side?
Yeah, put yours on your side there.
Okay. There, just stick it on top of all the glass stuff.
That should work.
Yeah. It's fine. Oh, good scores.
Yeah.
And that was at the place. This is the third day it's
even
been
he
on.
said it's the last day, but
But then he wouldn't give you a discount on the hangers, and you didn't get a deal on the cheese boxes
he said
either.
he wouldn't because they weren't his. He couldn't deal
Oh.
on them because they weren't his. But yeah, so 50 cents each. There were $3. Was there $3?
$3 or $4 worth. I thought there was 6 or 8 of them.
Yeah.
We would give
So-
him $2 for them.
So
for all
for
eight.
$1, now you're keeping them all.
Yeah.
I know. Like, you almost want to say, like, think about it. Really, you want to lose a sale over $1?
Yeah. I know.
It's a lot of shit to pack up again.
Yeah, it is. We would have taken them.
Yep. So there's 2 sales on this in this next bay, and there's supposed to be antiques and collectibles at them. Today's the first
Oh,
day.
just missed it. Son of a.
You have to turn around.
Yeah.
Today's the first day. Started 10, 11, 12. Like 5 hours, almost 6 hours ago. But you can't go to the mall first, so
Nope.
it's the way it goes.
Yeah, can't hit them all
So
at the same
yeah,
time.
today's first day. It's on tomorrow and it's on Sunday. It's on 9 till 8. Today, tomorrow, and Sunday. Oh,
That is insane.
that's way too long.
I couldn't do it. Sit out there at a garage sale for much longer than 5 or 6 hours, and that is it.
Yeah, it's too much.
Okay, so here we go.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a bay. So there's 23 and should be next to door to each other.
This one looks like it's closed.
23 and 25.
25 is not open.
Okay, so just
So
23.
just 23.
Okay. Looks like a little wooden table there and oh, cutie little dollhouse.
Okay. Check my battery. Oh, need to change the battery.
Okay. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, well, I'm probably going to get an SD card error here. Yeah. So I'll meet you out there.
Okay. This is supposed to be
This is nice.
a log roller.
Yes.
Did you know that?
A log roller.
So you take your newspaper and
Okay.
it rolls really, 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 really tight.
Right. And you make a log out of them.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is.
You've got the twine. You would have the twine somehow.
Yeah, you have to tie it up somehow. Yeah, I'm not really
Nice.
sure.
I like
I
it.
don't know all the ins and outs of it, but that's yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think it's anything.
First day you're open?
Of course, they're taped, or where it would say anything.
Yeah, no, this isn't.
I'll let you look at that.
I don't think that one will be either. It's not just the quality's not there.
Yeah, I thought maybe coral. Okay.
I don't think so.
Look at that art glass, hey?
Yeah, and the swan.
Yeah.
Oh, what's in here? Oh my, no. This is coral.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Well, I think you should get that for $2.
Think so? Oh yeah, thank you.
No, it's a joke.
I don't know, your nose looks pretty clean. That one and that one.
Okay, $2.50.
Yeah, I know. You know what? Even getting in and out of the truck over and over and over, I get a little bit sore the next day. That's how you know you're getting old.
That's how you know you've been to a lot of garage sales.
A lot. Well, more than 20.
Yeah, more than 20 garage sales today. And of course, the audience isn't going to see 20.
I know.
Hey guys, thanks again for coming with us on yet another great picking adventure. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't yet clicked that subscribe button and you like our videos, go ahead and click that. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get notified for every new video we put out. And while you're down there with your clicking finger, you might as well hit that thumbs up. It sure helps push this video out to people who don't know about us yet, and it's a great way to support our channel. Thanks again, you guys. We love you. On to the next.